Children, let's study about the Great Indian Desert. This is the Great Indian Desert. It is also known as the Thar Desert. It is there in the western part of the India, and it is divided by the Aravalli ranges, the oldest mountain ranges of India. So the western side of it is the western part of Indian desert, and the next side is the eastern part of Indian desert. It is an undulating means uneven. The sandy land is not plain. It is covered with the sand, this entire part is covered with the sand, but it is uneven because of the sand dunes. This region, since it is the desert area, so it receives very low rainfall, below 150 millimeter per year. This entire part receives very less rainfall. It has dry climate. Because of less rainfall, it is supposed to have the dry climate and very less vegetation cover. Streams, which you can say that narrow water lines, they appear in this particular area in only during rainy seasons, but they dry soon because of the high temperature. That is why they don't reach to the sea. Luni is the main river of this area. This is shown here. So this is the main river of this area. One thing which is one of the site of this area, that is called Barchan. Barchan is crescent shaped dunes. Dunes means the hillocks of sands. This covered, especially in the western part of desert, you can say Barchans, which cover the larger areas and which is very prominent. Prominent means this entire part is very dry. Okay, since it receives almost nil, means rainfall is almost nil in this part, so it has the hillocks of sand in this part. If we talk about the eastern part of the Great Indian Desert, this part is semi-arid. There are several canals which are built in this part. That is why the crops can also be grown to this part. And this desert is also the boundary of India and Pakistan.